Billion-dollar blunders, a deep dive into history's priciest mistakes. History is a tapestry woven from triumph, tragedy, and spectacular screw-ups. Buckle up, dear viewers, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the top 10 most expensive mistakes humanity has ever made. Lost in space, the $125 Million Typo. In 1999, the Mars Climate Orbiter taught us a very expensive lesson: metric matters. One team used American imperial units, another used the metric system. The result? The orbiter took an unscheduled detour straight into the Martian atmosphere. Winning the lottery of financial ruin. In 2005, Uzbekistan learned that even winning can have its downsides. A tiny printing error resulted in thousands of winning lottery tickets. The company responsible had to pay $21 million instead of the intended $15,000 prize pool. The $6 billion typo. In 2014, a Credit Suisse trader added an extra zero while placing an order for tech stocks. This little typo resulted in a $6 billion overpayment, just your average run-of-the-mill multi-billion-dollar whoopsie. Chapter 4. Deepwater Horizon, an ocean of trouble. In 2010, the Deepwater Horizon oil rig exploded, causing the worst environmental disaster in US history. Poor safety measures and rushed decisions cost BP over $65 billion, with devastating long-term impacts. Chapter 6. Chernobyl. The cost of a nuclear nightmare. In 1986, a flawed reactor design and human errors led to a catastrophic explosion at Chernobyl. The meltdown cost an estimated $235 billion in damages and caused untold long-term health problems. Chapter 6. Titanic, a night to remember and pay for. In 1912, the Titanic struck an iceberg and sank, taking over 1,500 lives. The financial cost was $7.5 million at the time, over $150 million today, but the true cost lay in the immense loss of life. Chapter 7. AOL Time Warner, the dot-com disaster. The 2000 merger of AOL and Time Warner was supposed to revolutionize media. Instead, it resulted in a $99 billion loss, becoming one of the worst mergers in history. Chapter 8. Fukushima, when nature fights back. In 2011, a tsunami triggered the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster. Inadequate safety measures led to meltdowns in 3 reactors, costing $200 billion in damages. Chapter 9. The Vasa sinking before it even sailed. In 1628, Sweden's mighty warship, the Vasa, sank just 1,300 meters into its maiden voyage. Being top-heavy and unstable, it sank to the bottom of the harbor. The Vasa took with it the modern-day equivalent of $143 million. Chapter 10. Challenger, a national tragedy. In 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger exploded 73 seconds after liftoff, claiming 7 lives. The disaster cost $5.5 billion and serves as a reminder of the importance of vigilance in space exploration. Outro, the price of mistakes. From simple typos to catastrophic engineering failures, these blunders remind us that even the smartest among us are capable of epic screw-ups. These mistakes have often led to important changes, improving safety protocols and systems. By learning from our blunders, we can at least try to make sure those mistakes aren't quite so expensive next time.